Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring essentials. Switch online active and a working internet connection. Once done, open your Nook phone and choose the Friends app. This is where Friend lists live. Make sure your Nintendo account is linked so you can add users by friend code immediately. Next, invite a player locally or by Dodo code to test connectivity. This quick invite verifies settings and lets you proceed. Do this now to avoid delays and confirm you can communicate in-game. Now focus on the middle steps. Earn best friend status by visiting islands and exchanging permissions. You must visit each other's islands first. Once there, open the Friends app, select the player, then choose Set as Best Friend. This grants build, pickup, and tool use depending on permissions you allow. Choose deliberately. Remember why? Best Friends lets you work together without constant confirmations, so set permissions that match your trust level. Continue visiting until both sides confirm the change. Finish by verifying the Best Friend badge on both player profiles and test practical actions like picking fruit or using a shovel. This confirms proper privileges. If something fails, first resync your Nintendo account and re-add the friend. Many issues clear with a fresh link. If problems persist, check your Switch system update, router NAT/type, and restart consoles. These network fixes resolve most connection hiccups. Once resolved, enjoy cooperative island design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.